This question we will be using trigonometric identities. We have, remember, cos of 2x equals to 1 minus is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1 is implies 1 plus cos of 2x equals to 2 cos square x. Therefore, I can break this angle 1 plus cos of x equals to 2 cos square x by 2. This we have formula, okay. Similarly, we have sine of 2x equals to what? 2 sine x into cos x. Therefore, sine of x equals to 2 sine x by 2 cos of x by 2. Now, these two, this is same as this, therefore, this is same as this in half angle. Now, let's apply over here. Now, consider these two, okay. Here 1 plus cos of, here, okay, 1 plus cos x is equals to what? Is equals to 2 cos square 2 pi by 9 upon 2, means 2 gets cancelled. We have pi by 9 plus I. Similarly, here we have sine of theta, okay, since we have x by 9 over here, okay, since we have x by 9 over here, therefore we can bring this x by 9 by breaking 2 pi by 9 upon 2, means we have 2, this as applying this formula, 2 sine 2 pi by 9 upon 2. I can write this 2 pi upon 2. Let's write for time being. Cos of 2 pi by 9 upon 2 upon, here we have cube, okay, upon here this is same as this 2 cos square 2 pi by 9 upon 2 minus I 2 sine 2 pi by 9 upon 2 cos of 2 pi by 9 upon 2. Now, as I told you, these two and these two gets cancelled. Therefore, these two and these two gets cancelled. We have pi by 2. Similarly, these two and these two gets cancelled. We have pi by 2. These two and these two gets cancelled. Pi by 2. Here, same. Here we have pi by 2. Here, 2 gets cancelled. Pi by 9. 2 gets cancelled. Pi by 9. Okay. Now, from denominator, what we can take 2 cos pi by 9, we can take common, okay. Here equals to 2, this is what? 3, okay. 2 cos pi by 9, let's take common. So 2 cos taken, we have what? Cos of pi by 9 plus I sine pi by 9. 2 cos pi by 9 I have taken, okay. Similarly, in denominator also you take 2 cos pi by 9. Here we'll have 1 will be remaining, minus 2 also taken out, I sine pi by 9 all raised to cube. Now this gets cancelled. This is what we have. Remember, e raised to I theta is what? Cos of theta plus I sin theta. Similarly, e raised to minus I theta is what? Cos of theta minus I sin theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. It is even function. Sin of minus theta is sin theta. It is odd function. Therefore, e raised to minus I theta is this. E raised to I theta is this by Euler's theorem. Therefore, instead of this, what I can write is e raised to I of pi by 9 upon e raised to minus I pi by 9 raised to cube. Okay. Therefore, this is same as e raised to I pi by 9 cube I am separating this e raised to minus I pi by 9 into 3. E raised to I pi by 3. So this I can bring up, minus become plus I pi by 3. Therefore, this same as e raised to I 2 pi plus pi is what? 2 pi by 3. Okay, this is same as, again convert this in this form, this same as cos of 2 pi by 3 plus I sine 2 pi by 3. Okay, therefore this is same as minus half plus I root 3 by 2. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay.